now joining me and Katie into our nightly 2 in the morning raid.
Even though it's clearly 1:57.
To my fridge. Let's go for the ride. Open that door like I told you. Get out of here.
This is the hardest part of opening. Getting down to the fridge.
Okay, keep going. Shh. You gotta be quiet out here. Because it's the nighttime and we don't want anyone to see us going down to the fridge. Because they think we're chubby. Already. Oh, God, you can't even see us. Get over to the fridge. Hurry up. No. Okay. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, gosh. It turned on. Okay. Alright, get some Mondos.
Let me take over. You get it.
There's Mondos. Yes. Oh, is there Mondos? Score.
This is what we like. We like this. What else should we get?
I don't know, that looks pretty good.
Well, we can't just get that. Why aren't you videotaping?
I am videotaping. Wait.
What?
Ew. Poking our paws.
Oh, bad times. Oh, donuts.
Donuts.
Krispy Kremes.
Yum. No. We don't need donuts. You just told me we were going out. Chewy's, yeah.
Okay.
Let's close up.
We need Diet Cokes.
Okay. I'll get the straws.
Okay. Make sure you get a red one and a blue one. Blue one for my pants and red one to match your hair.
Okay. I'm on it.
Okay. Bye. Back up the stairs. It's not over yet. You got a good hand? I hope. Molly. Thanks for joining us on our midnight rage.